Select expired lot. Now app will show you information about expired lot with expiration date. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Select lot without expiration date. Application will show you message that this lot has an expiration date. Select expiring soon, less than in month lot. App will show warning that this lot is expiring soon. Proceed to the following steps now. Select not in stock lot. App will show you information about required amount of ingredient. Select valid lot in stock with expiration date. In this case, you will not see any validation messages. Set actual weight. Please continue with the next steps. In case when total used lot weight is more than available low weight, application will also show validation message with required lot quantity. Please continue with the next steps. Let's try to add one more lot for ingredient. In case when you have more than one lot in ingredient, you need to specify per each lot actual weight in order to app knows how much quantity from which lot was used. Select valid lot for the ingredient. Next, move on to the subsequent steps. Now advance to the upcoming steps.